Hey everybody, I'm Barry with Christenson Transportation. We're the trucker's truck and safety takes priority. Today's topic is not about safety or maintenance. It's about operating efficiently, being smart. I think everybody's figured out that the economy has slowed down, prices have gone up, freight is harder to find, more broker loads than we're used to doing. And at the same time, I hear talk of late deliveries, late pickups, staying home, didn't come out of the house on time. And then it's, where's my paycheck? And I'm like, the drivers come through and I hear a lot of stuff. And, just this week I heard twice out in operations, they were saying, driver A showed up to the receiver early, got unloaded 12 hours before he was supposed to, for his appointment, went over to his next pickup, got loaded 24 hours before his next pickup. And I'm thinking to myself, the only way for that to possibly happen is if the driver shows up early. If you're dispatched and it's let's just say 8 hours away, and you wait till it's 8 hours and 15 minutes before you have to be there and you take off, good luck. I bet 70% of the time something comes up. Traffic, weather, flat tire, inspection, whatever it may be. And even if it doesn't, you just run 8 hours out of your living, and now your day is done. You can't drive another 200 and get your next pickup. So you've wasted another day, and it's things like that separate successful drivers and unsuccessful drivers. Is get there early, be available to get your freight on or off early, and get there with time on your clock. Get there the night before your 8 o'clock delivery, so when you wake up in the morning and get unloaded, you've got all this hours to drive. If you show up and drive in that morning or drive at night, whatever it is, and get there, great. But then you can't go anywhere. It's just little things like that we've got to be smart about, especially when freight's tough to get. Which fleet managers are going to want to load you if you're having service failures, and which companies going to give us more freight if we're having service failures. When times are tough, you better stand out above the crowd, not below the crowd, and be the shining star and be the one that they can count on to deliver their freight. It's pretty simple. Customers expect the same thing you expect. You pay for something, you want to get it. So just thought, not being negative, just saying, hey, there's ways to be successful and there's ways not to be successful. So, when we spend a lot of time talking about speeds and fuel purchases and fuel economy and all that stuff, that's great. But if you can't pick up and deliver freight and you don't have hours available and you're not smart with your logbook, all that other stuff is, you're not going anywhere. So, man. But anyway, be smart. Be the driver that gets unloaded early and picks up early, delivers on time or early, and has hours to go get his next stuff. And then goes home and enjoys that paycheck and that time off. So anyway, do the best you can. Thanks for being at Christenson. We're the trucker's truck.